Have you ever wondered how enterprises are using the AI models for building their business applications? We are all heavily using AI models like ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Claude, Grok, and whatnot. But these models are public language models. You should never upload any of your personal data or confidential information on these models. And also, you should not use it for any of your official work because these models use this data to uptrain themselves. They will store this information and also use it to provide better responses in the future, not only to you, but to anybody who uses these models. Hi, I am Vinod Vishwanathan, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through what is the difference between a public LLM model and a private LLM model, and why enterprises choose to use private LLM models, and how they make use of these private models to build the business applications. Let's try to understand it with an example. I am going to ask ChatGPT about what is the latest information on the Indian stock market. It is going to search the web, it is going to find different information online, and then it is going to analyze and come back with a summary of all the information which is able to get from different websites online. It is also able to show you the sources from where it got the information. Now, the same thing if we go and try it out in Google AI Studio, which is running a private Gemini model, Gemini 2.0 Flash, it is still able to provide you all the information, but you will realize that the details it has provided you is as of October 26, 2023, because that is the knowledge cutoff date for this model. That means it has been trained only till August 26, 2023. It does not have the capability to directly go to the internet and search for any information because it is restricted only to the knowledge which it has. As an organization administrator, you also have capabilities to adjust temperatures in terms of how creative the model can be. You other also have options to connect or allow it to connect to different tools in terms of what kind of structured output it needs to provide, whether it is allowed to execute code. It also has an option to allow function calling. So these are some of the examples on how an organization or how an administrator will be able to control what are the things a user can do if a user is using a chatbot or a business application which is connected to this LLM model. And let me make it clear that Google AI Studio is not a private offering. This is a public offering provided by Google where developers can test and try out different features of private LLM models. An organization's internal application will look like this. So this is a sample chatbot application which I have installed on my system, which is using a Gemini API key to connect to Gemini 2.0 Flash model and fetching the responses. So here your organization will provide you such an interface where the API keys will be hard coded in the backend by the organization which an administrator controls, and they will also control on what kind of responses this chatbot is allowed to provide. So you will not be able to either connect to internet or it will be connected to your organization internal data or uptrained on it so that you are able to ask questions and get information about your internal organization details, product information, or other such policies and procedures. The enterprises can run these LLM models privately on their own servers. They could host it on different cloud providers like Google Vertex AI, Amazon Bedrock, or other offerings as well, which are available from the market. So I hope you got an understanding about how the public and private models work and what are the differences. So always make sure whenever using the public LLMs, do not provide any confidential or personal information and do not provide any of your organization information in that. I hope you found this information valuable. If yes, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such AI content. Thank you for watching and keep learning AI.